Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over how to solve a system of equations using matrices with the calculator. So here's the example from our previous video. Our first step is to define our matrices, A, X, and B. So in the calculator, we're going to go to our matrix menu. We hit second, X inverse to open up our matrix menu. And we're going to edit our matrices. So we scroll over to edit, we hit enter. Matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So I enter my dimensions. And then I enter each value in the matrix going from left to right, row to row. So we have -3. We hit enter every time. 4, 2, and -1. Now I need to go and enter matrix B. So I hit second X inverse again, scroll over to edit, go down one to matrix B and hit enter. Matrix B is a 2 by 1 matrix with 5 and -10. Now we can quit out of our matrix menu and we're in our regular calculator screen. We want to do X equals A inverse times B. So we go into our matrix menu and we click enter for A. Then we hit that X -1 button for A inverse. Go back into our matrix menu and go to matrix B. And then hit enter. And it gives us our solution matrix, -7, -4. Because we're solving a system of equations, don't forget to write your answer as an ordered pair. Let's do the 3 by 3 matrix. So I go into my matrix menu. I need to edit matrix A. This time I'm doing a 3 by 3 matrix, so I need to change my dimensions. I start entering my values. You have to put those zeros in there. After every entry, you make sure that you're hitting enter. And if you notice at the top of the calculator, it highlights the entry that you're working on. So kind of pay attention to that as you go along. Make sure that what you have in there is what you actually want. Now we're going to edit matrix B. Matrix B is a 3 by 1 matrix. It's important that you look to make sure that everything you're entering is what you want. And 3. Now I'm going to put my matrix equation in again. So I go into matrix. I want matrix A, which is highlighted. I hit the X inverse button. And then matrix B. And I hit enter, and we get our solution matrix. This concludes our video on how to use the calculator to solve matrix equations.